If you're interested in real estate and are currently looking at buying a home, selling a home, or investing in a real estate project, do check out Chennai Realtor on YouTube. Link in the description below. TVS is chosen, which happens to be in the south of Bangalore, very close to the Tamil Nadu border. It's close to Electronic City, which happens to have a 30-40% working population.
Definitely in this particular location, there's not much projects.
An excellent project, green area, very well defined.
See them expand and go out into a new territory like Bangalore gives us an opportunity to move outside and expand as well. So we're really looking forward.
Unique 6.2 acres garden theme project overlooking the serene Basapura Lake. Art clubhouse, 50 plus amenities.
Entry of the vehicle happen from the basement and a grand entrance they have where the no vehicle movement will be there in the surrounding. If you see the floor plan of their 1500 change, they have 3 BHK. It will be amazed. See that model flat of 1500 square feet. You will understand the value of money going with the TVS.
This is going to be a USP point for the project itself. Across the project you have apartment, at the center you have garden and
balcony. It is of course seeing the lake, the landscaping in terms of the elevation.
Garden themed project with lovely views from the balcony. It's absolutely in the heart of the residential area.
The location where they have put up in, that is near to the Manipal County. It's one of the hot location where people prefer or they love to stay in that area.
5 minutes from 2 upcoming metro stations, Hosa Road and Singasandra. The nice road connectivity is also
very close to the nice ring road. All the tech parks are closer, the hospitals, the schools, you name it, and this project has it.